One of our jobs this morning is this 1.8 Civic FN1, something like that. It's the 1.8 IV Tech. Customers just bought it, so some of the things that Dynodaze do here is we do a little service and we do a full inspection. So it's a brand new car to the customer and he just wants the Dynodaze seal of approval. So what we're going to do is get it in the air, give it a service. We're actually going to take a spark plug out, make sure that they're all nice. We've always got the parts in here stock in case it needs them. Go round and basically do what you would expect on sort of an MOT. So wiggle all the bushes, make sure everything's nice and tight, do a little bit of diagnostics on it, plug the snap-on machine in and make sure there's no untoward codes or saved codes in there. And basically just make sure that it's nice and healthy and safe and it'll get some good years motoring out of it. And then we'll probably see it again next year for exactly the same thing. Servicing, inspection, etc. I will try and time that in with the MOT, so if it needs anything, we can get the work done. But yeah, as you guys know by now, I hope that we do a lot of Hondas, we do a lot of Japanese stuff. So yeah, this is a nice bronze colour. Now it might look black in the photographs, but it's definitely like almost like a pearlescent bronze. Beautiful colour, beautiful colour. Yeah, okay, so Jason's going to get cracking with this in a second. Put some lovely synthetic oil in there. Keep her going.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You won't stop and look around once in a while. You can miss it.
Lovely place to be. So she's up on the ramp and then Jason's having a bit of a wiggle on things. Oh, plastic underneath here, isn't it? Could do with a little bit of a tidy up. I think it's a little bit crusty in certain areas, but we've seen that on my FN2, didn't we? So yeah, a little bit crusty, but a bit of an amorite. Maybe a little bit more than an amorite just there. Right, let's put some oil in her. Okay, so the rear beam bushes are shot, but again, sort of to be expected of a car this age, these do suffer. It is looking a little bit ropey under there, but nothing that we can't sort out if we needed to. Yeah, that looks like that one's done, Jason. What'd you say?
Not good, mate.
Yeah, that tyre's done, Jason. That's down to the cords there.
Yes.
It's definitely going to want a tyre before MOT. Yes. I hope this hasn't had an MOT prior to sale. But what can you say about that, really? Rear end stuff then, really. Oh dear.